Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to a townhouse today and got to take a look at a plug laundry sink. Let's see what we find. So we're gonna undo this coupling right here and snake it down. The laundry sink drains to that stack, and then it connects with the kitchen stack going up. We're going to use the Milwaukee M18. We got everything cleaned out. So we're just going to pull it back and see if we caught anything. So nothing came back. So it's most likely just grease buildup from the kitchen sink. This is the kitchen sink stack, and then the lint from the laundry. I just recorded myself.
Yeah.
But everything's running good now.
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard me tell the camera.
Yeah.
Nothing came back on the cable. Probably just a buildup of grease and then lint from the laundry, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, everything's looking good now.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So we should be good.
So we'll see freaking how it goes.
Yeah.
Because when we fill up our sink, right, it fills backs up here.
Yeah. The way these are set up, right? Like it's
Yeah, I know.
both 1.5 inch drains going into an 1.5 inch 90 at the floor level.
Yeah.
It always builds up there, and
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
always where it is.
Yeah, yeah.
But not much you can do about it.
Yeah, we had a freaking drain probably about a year and a half ago.
I think it was me that was here.
Was it?
Yeah, I think so. I remember the unit. It was probably me that was the one that cut this.
Yeah.
I usually always cut it above the sink level.
Yeah, yeah.
There's been time, because there's actually a clean out right there, right?
Yeah.
But it's like, if this sink's full, you open up that clean out, all that water's going everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's like, so I always cut it on the vent,
Yeah, yeah.
above the sink. This sink could be completely full,
But it's
and
not gonna do anything.
exactly. So
Then you can freaking get whatever you can out or whatever, right?
that's it. All right, so you're good, boss.
All right, thanks a lot.
No worries. That's it.
I work and sleep. I don't do any of this shit.
Same as me, buddy. Same as me. Never ends, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Have yourself a good day. Thanks. Time for me to go home.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, it's my birthday today, right?
Oh,
So
happy birthday. buddy.
figure I'd leave a little bit early today and
For sure.
hopefully get a good dinner.
Yeah.
Take it easy, brother.
Happy day.
Thank you. All right, guys, there you go. Everything's looking good. So until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. And if you did stick around and you heard me say it's my birthday, shoot me a happy birthday in the comments. Let me know who's listening. All right, till next time. Charagna.